I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti. It's so good to have you here. And today I have some of my beauty favorites. So yeah, let's start. So first I have two makeup products that are really good for summer, and plus they have skincare benefits, and these are from Derma Co. One is their primer and another one is their baby cream. Let's start with their 2% niacinamide pore minimizing primer. So this primer is a game changer and it really works on enlarged pores. I mean, the texture is so silky, so beautiful. I love because this is a complete package of makeup and skincare, and it contains ingredients like niacinamide, seboclear, MTMP, and vitamin E, which minimizes the pores, controls sebum production, and it gives this oil-free look, and this is fragrance-free and gives long-lasting results. I'm really loving this one. This is a beautiful product to try. And the next thing I'm gonna use is their 2% niacinamide hydrating BB cream. This is a beautiful product. I have tried many BB creams, but this one is very unique. Most BB creams in the market, they only conceal dark spots for some time, but this BB cream has this combination of niacinamide, hyaluronic acid complex, aquaxyl, which not only provides coverage but also solves skin issues like dark spots, dehydrated skin, uneven skin tone, and you need really little amount of product, and just apply this on your face and neck, blend it with your fingertips. It is lightweight, non-greasy, perfect for every day. It has SPF 30 as well and gives this even toned, flawless looks, and I really love it. And both of these products are fragrance free and designed by dermatologists and safe for everyday use. Also, each time you buy from Derma Co, they link your order with a child they choose to help with Bhumi, and they have pledged to help 10,000 children across the year. And all the products from Derma Co are fragrance free now, and you can use my code Shamapti 2023 to get additional 20% off on Derma Co products on their official website. And the Derma Co is also available on Amazon, Flipkart, and Nykaa. And next I have this one that is very helpful. See, this is so cute. This is not only cute, this is very useful for this summer. So this is one mini fan plus mirror plus light. So how it works, it has this button here. You will just press it and this is the light and the mirror. And this is so useful to me now because this is so hot out there, so I carry it in my purse wherever I go. And yeah, I thought it might help you too because I'm really liking this one. This is so convenient to carry around, and the mirror and the light and the fan, especially the fan, is very useful for now because this is so hot out here and this is very humid, and it helps me a lot. So yeah, I hope it helps you out too, and I'm really loving this one. They also have this in like other shapes and colors, whichever you like. I picked the avocado one. And next I have one lip gloss, and do you know Vaseline, they make lip glosses? I didn't, but I bought this recently. I'm really loving this one. This is their Glossy Lip Shot. You can apply this on its own or on your matte lip colors the way you like. It keeps my lips glossy, moisturized, and it has this very beautiful scent, not too overwhelming. It has this sweet scent which I don't mind at all, and this is non-sticky, which is very important because I don't like too much sticky glosses, this is perfect for that. I also like their lip sleeping mask, which was really nice, very good for healing the lips, and this one also very nice if you want something glossy for your lips. I think you're gonna like it. And the last thing I have is this one manicure and pedicure tool, and again very convenient to use. It has almost everything you need, for a good manicure and pedicure. So yeah, it comes in this super organized C, and I thought you will find this helpful because I hardly go to I kept, there was another tool, I used it and I kept it somewhere. Oh, it is here, the tweezer. I love the color. The rose gold and pink combo is something that I really like. I bought this for me and I thought it was a very good investment for me, so I thought of recommending it to you if you're into manicures, pedicures at home. this is gonna help you grooming. Also, you can, you know, groom your eyebrows with it. The scissor, with the tweezer, all you need is the eyebrow razor, which you can keep it here and you are done. So it can be your, you know, pedicure, manicure, and also eyebrow grooming kit. And yeah, I'm really liking this one. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.